This will last forever. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making Friselle, a type of twice-baked bread. It originates from southern Italy and is known for its long shelf life, making it convenient for those travelling long distances in the mountains or at sea. Traditionally enjoyed as a staple food during hard economic times, Friselle has now evolved into a popular snack in Italy. You can enjoy Friselle topped with Mediterranean mixtures like olives, tomatoes and basil. Today we are making whole wheat Friselle from scratch using Durum Whole Wheat flour, a whole grain version of semolina flour. These are the ingredients you need, and the measurements are in the descriptions below. First, we mix the regular flour and the whole wheat flour together. Then we take half of the combined flour and mix it with the water in a stand mixer with a dough hook. Let this rest for 15 minutes. This procedure, called autolysis, aims to improve baking results by promoting fermentation and facilitating gluten formation. The final dough is smoother, more uniform and drier. Mix the yeast with the remaining flour and add it to the dough. Proceed to knead the dough until it is well combined and elastic. Once the dough is smooth, add the salt and finish kneading. Cover the bowl and let the dough rise for 2 hours. Now we shape the Friselle. Cut the dough into 6 equal parts. Elongate the dough and shape it into rings. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Let them rise for another hour and preheat the oven to 390 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees centigrade. Bake the Friselle for only 15 minutes. Once the Friselle becomes stable and well risen, remove them from the oven and cut them in half crosswise until they are still warm. Now we do the second baking. Lower the temperature of your oven to 320 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 160 degrees Celsius. Place the half Friselles on an oven rack and continue to bake until they turn golden brown and crisp. It will take from 30 minutes to an hour depending on the flour you're using. This double-baked process grants the Friselle their long shelf life. You can serve the Friselle as an appetizer, snack, or even part of a meal. Before you place your favourite topping, you will need to wet them with a little water. Traditionally, the sailors would wet the Friselle with seawater when at sea, but you can't really do this anymore. Then you can add your topping, making sure you add plenty of extra virgin olive oil and juices from the tomatoes. To enjoy Friselle as a simple appetizer, use them as a base for a delicious bruschetta. You can also dip them in a soup or break them into pieces and mix in salads, adding a satisfying crunch to your dish. For more cold dishes to make for a buffet party, check out the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe. What a shame. I wouldn't dip my Friselle in the ocean today, would you? More likely to get bits of plastic and diesel and